Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Look, Gianni found an egg. You're so pretty, Lola.
I found an egg.
Look, why don't you go find more? Put it in your basket. Put the egg in your basket. Aha! You found one?
Yeah. Hang on the floor.
What?
That hit on the wall and fish on the floor.
Put it in the basket.
And I found more.
Bring the basket with you, silly. And then when you find an egg, put it in there. Hmm.
Where is it, Mommy? Haha!
Aha! You found one? Ooh, a purple one.
I don't find a yellow one. I got one basket and I find an orange one.
Lola, look how pretty you are. You're so pretty. Find Easter eggs, you guys. Let her hold an egg. It's okay. You got an egg, Lola?
Yes.
Uh-oh, that one's broken. That's okay. You guys find more eggs. Find more eggs. There's more. Look over here, maybe.
Aha! I found the big one.
Cool. Put it in the basket.
Keep looking at your eggs.
The bunny hid them all over the house.
And
Find more. Find more.
hit them.
Yeah, and he hid them.
Where is them? This one? Where is it? See? Where?
I don't know. You have to look.
I didn't see any more eggs. Huh? What?
Lola, put those in the basket before you break them.
Put them in the basket.
Good girl, Lola. Put them in. Good girl. Okay.
But I find more.
Here.
I want to
Lola,
find
here.
more. I want to find more. I want to
Find more. Find more.
I stop looking for eggs. Don't take them. That's fixed and that's broken.
It's okay. We'll eat them if they break.
I have my egg. And it's not broken. It's fixed.
Put it in the basket and find more eggs, you guys. It's okay. Lola can hold those. Find more. Find more. Hurry.
Lola, you have a beautiful dress, Lola.
Oh, you're so nice.
What's yours?
Oh, just find Easter eggs, silly. That's Lola's basket.
There is little heads down.
You're so pretty, Lola. Lola found an egg. Look, Lola found an egg. Good girl, Lola. Go put it in the basket. Go put it in the basket, Lola.
Yeah.
want to go look in the living